Well, sounds great for me, but what do I gain from it? For example, my machine is at a standstill. The typical Monday morning, all the machines are supposed to be running. We want to get started and directly have a problem with a machine that we can't solve ourselves. In such cases, I need fast and simple help.
Oh, yes. Such Monday mornings are unfortunately typical. However, let me tell you, we do have the app ServiceBoard, an app with which you can easily send service requests to your machine service partner, such as HOMAG. The app makes it really easy for you to create service cases. You can add photos and you always have an overview of your current and previous machine problems and service cases. But let's see how that works in practice.
Yeah, hello now from our showroom in Schopfloch, and we're going to see the in-practice example of ServiceBoard right now. And I brought my mobile phone with me, but of course ServiceBoard is an app, so it's also working on any tablet, whether it's Android or iOS. So for showing you the ServiceBoard, I open up the app. And first of all, what I see is the list of service cases. So here we see a lot of green hooks, so all the solved service cases from previous times. And I can also open up these service cases now, see whether what the solution was, but for now we want to open up a new service case. Therefore, I press the plus button on the upper right corner and select the service partner, which of course is here right now, HOMAG, because we are in the HOMAG showroom in Schopfloch. The next step is to select the machine we have the error on. So normally I can also open up a list of machines and select the machines, but for now we want to use the QR code scanner, so that's even more faster and easier to use. So I press the QR code button, go to the machine over here, scan this QR code, and there we go, the edge tag machine is selected. So I go to the next step, and now I have to describe the service case in the grayish area over here. And of course I can type in the problem, but I can also make it more easy for me and use the microphone I do have in my smartphone. So I open up the microphone and describe what the problem is. Machine is making some unusual noises in the pressure unit. So now my problem is described, and of course maybe I have to amend something, but usually it's working quite fast. The next step would be to say whether we have a production stoppage or not. That's the green button I can press over here, but for now we don't have one, so it's not of high urgency for me. But the next step would be to add some pictures. And pictures are important for the service partner to see where we are, so it's much more easier for this person to act and to see on which page we are. So let us quickly make one picture. So it's the attachment 1. I go over here and make a photo. Use this photo. Of course, I can also add some more attachments, a second and third photo. I can also optionally type in my phone number, but for now that's more than enough. And I send out the service case to the service partner. So now my case is directed to HOMAG service, and here we see in the overview of the service cases that we do have now a new service case. We see that at the orange arrows in the circle, and now we are waiting for the service partner to reply to our request. So here we see we already got an update. So they say, dear customer, your ServiceBoard request had been received and is being processed. So now we see that it's updated our service case over here, and that the service team is working on this service case. We also see that we get some push notifications, so we know that something has changed. We don't have to wait for example, like in a queue, but we get this information. And also right now I received a push notification that the video diagnosis can be started. So I go down there to video diagnosis, open up the video icon. And now I see that my camera is working. I switch to the rear camera, and now I can already go to the machine and show which area had been. Hi, Ralf.
Hi, Julia.
Hi. Thanks for calling.
No problem at all. I heard you have a problem at the inlet of the machine.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, at the pressure unit.
At the pressure unit. Okay. Can you please check the protective bonnet with this yellow?
This one?
Yes, this one.
Yeah, okay. Over there, and maybe over here.
Yes, over there. It seems to be a little bit loose. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Fix it maybe a little bit better.
Yeah, so your suggestion would be to fix this part.
That's it.
Okay, great. Let me try that.
You tried it, and if you have the problem still again, then you can send
Yeah, I'll get back to you in that case. No worries.
Thank you very much.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
So of course now we got an example of how easy and fast a service request can be handled, and here we really see the advantage of showing a video of the problem, get a quick reply, and also to transfer the pictures and the audio of the problem, because here we had this problem of some strange noises, and also of course it's much more easier to transfer that or to communicate that via video. So again, we go back to the service cases, refresh that, and see whether the HOMAG service partner already inserted the solution to that. That might last a few seconds, so let me in between show you the monitoring feature of the service board. So in case machines are connected to Tapio, we can use the service monitoring feature where you have a quick overview of any maintenance you have to do with your machines. So it's an easy feature to see what is on the to-do list in case of a maintenance case. Yeah, that was a quick overview for the service board and the service cases, and we really saw that it's quite easy and fast to open up a service case, and that you can really save time and of course costs, especially if you have any machine downtimes. You can really reduce these times by using the service board. And now finally we also see that this service case we jointly created has been solved right now.
So now you've learned that the service board is a service app for machine service and maintenance. So first, you do have an overview of all your service cases. Second, you can easily add service cases with just a few clicks, and of course, it's always useful to add photos as well. Third, you can initiate a video diagnosis with your service technician. This might be quite helpful when showing some details on the machine. And fourth, service monitoring is another feature that's introduced by ServiceBoard. So after we've seen how ServiceBoard is working, it might now be useful for you to learn how you can onboard your customers for ServiceBoard. And this might be the point where you pause this video, scan the QR code on the site, and open our website. There we created a specific web page for you on how you can connect your customers to ServiceBoard in really 6 easy steps. And whenever there's any question, please contact